and welcome to irunbelle. My name is Tokbe, and in this video I'll be showing over 10 ways to style your mini twists. So if you're interested, do keep on watching.
Tonight my heart is on fire and I can't help thinking of you. Babe, tonight my suit is getting higher and I can't help wanting you. My desire keeps growing up and it's getting out of control. Oh, babe, I can't tell you the truth about who you are. My heart is burning, my darling, and I can't rest till I got you. My body's burning, my darling, please let me free.
If you've been enjoying this video so far, please do give it a thumbs up now. It encourages me and it helps my channel and this video to do better. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss when next I post videos. You can have a look at the videos on my channel. I do have playlists that can help you navigate my entire channel just so you see the kind of videos that I make. And if you do like them, please make sure to subscribe.
I've got some feelings that I've kept inside.